Welcome to Street Talkers and Walkers. This is Hanoi, Vietnam, a city known for its rich history, vibrant culture, and delicious food. Join us as we explore what makes Hanoi unforgettable. Let's head over to Hon Kim Lake and hear what people have to say about this iconic destination. Are you ready? Let's go!
How are you?
Very good.
Okay, so what's your name?
I'm Veronica and I'm from Poland.
Oh, hi Veronica, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay, so how long have you been staying in Hanoi?
2 weeks.
2 weeks?
Now. Yes.
Wow, so you must experience a lot.
Yes, of course.
Okay.
This is my first visit here and I am super excited.
So what's your name?
My name is Daniela Cynthia.
Such a beautiful name. My name is Excited Guy.
So where are you from?
I'm from Nigeria.
Nigeria.
Yeah.
Okay, so how long have you been in Hanoi?
2 months now.
2 months.
Yeah.
Wow, so you experienced a lot.
Yeah, but I explored a lot.
My name is David.
David, nice to meet you. So where are you
Nice to meet
from?
you too. I'm from West Africa, Nigeria.
So how long have you been staying in Hanoi?
I have been here for 2 weeks.
2 weeks. So what's your name?
Marwan.
Margwen. Okay, so nice to meet you. So where are
Nice
you
to meet
from?
I'm from France.
My name is Taehun.
Taehun.
Yeah,
Okay, so where are you from?
I'm from Korea.
Korea.
Yeah.
Nice. So how long have you been in Hanoi?
I lived here for
Oh,
3 years.
Such a pro of Hanoi, I bet you have some stories.
My name is Vicky
Vicky.
from Germany, but I live in France.
Oh, nice.
We just arrived this morning, actually.
Oh, this morning.
Yes.
So
But I've been here before 7 years ago.
7 years ago. So yeah, a lot of things has changed.
Yeah, I guess so. I mean, I didn't see too much today yet, but I loved it so much 7 years ago that I really wanted to come back.
My name is Alonso.
Alonso. Okay, so where are you from?
I'm from Spain.
Oh, nice.
This is my second day.
Your second day.
My name's Niels.
Niels.
Yeah,
Okay, so nice to meet you, Niels.
nice to meet you too.
Yes, where are you from?
I'm from Germany.
Ooh, nice.
By the way, Niels, I like your nude shirt.
About a week now.
About a week.
Yeah.
So you have experienced quite a lot.
Yeah, pretty much.
My name is Marina.
Marina. Okay, so where are you from?
I'm from Spain.
Oh, nice country.
Just one day.
Just one day. Okay,
Yeah,
so
this is our second day. My name is Violeta.
Violeta.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
Very good.
Are you from Italy?
Spain.
Spain.
Not almost. It's,
Yes.
it's really near.
No, it's close
Yeah,
by,
very
right?
close. Yeah. This is our second day. Yeah.
Your second day?
Yeah, but we've been 2 weeks already in Vietnam.
All such beautiful people, I'm in love.
Enrico.
Illegal.
Yeah.
Oh,
must.
you are Italian, right?
Exactly.
Okay, so how long have you been in Hanoi?
It's my 5th time here.
Ooh, so that's a lot. So you have
Quite a
experience.
lot.
Yes, you have a lot of experience about Hanoi.
Yeah.
Tracy.
Tracy.
Yeah.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Thank you.
So where are you from?
Australia.
Australia. Wow, nice country.
Yeah, very nice.
Yes. So how long have you been staying in Hanoi?
4 nights.
Abu Monday and Eljo. But you can call me Monday.
Oh, what a coincidence. Her nickname is Tuesday.
Okay, thank you. So where are you from?
Nigeria.
Nigeria. So how long have you been in Hanoi?
I think 5 days now.
Oh, so yeah, you experienced a lot in Hanoi so far.
The weather is good. I love the ice cream.
Yeah.
Okay, such lovely people. Let's get to the main questions.
Can you please tell me what are the 3 things that unforgettable about Hanoi?
So first of all, food. Of course, it's amazing, really amazing. The pho is the best in the world.
The food, I guess.
So what is your favorite dish?
I think some time ago I would have said the beef noodle salad.
The pho?
The bunbo nambo, but I think which is more from the south.
Yes, exactly. It's not from Hanoi.
But we
though.
just from Hanoi. I remember the bun chao, which is
The
very
butcher?
good.
Yes, it's very good. So you're not
otherwise
afraid of the fish sauce or
No,
anything?
no, I love it.
Yes.
Otherwise, we just had the ban xiao, the pancake thing. Yeah, I really like that you can taste so many different foods all in one city, basically.
I really like pho. I think
Pho?
pho is one. Yeah, pho.
Okay, so anything else that you like?
Yeah, of course the banh mi.
Yes, maybe you are easy eater.
Yeah. I love the banh mi. Yeah.
Food, amazing. Food is my favorite thing in Vietnam.
I really like bun cha.
Bun cha?
Yeah.
Oh yes, it's really good.
but I tried a lot, so I don't remember all the names correctly.
Yes,
but like,
yes.
I like the Vietnamese food for
So you're not afraid of the fish sauce?
No.
Yes.
No, it's okay.
Yeah, because
I
a
like
lot
it.
of foreigners are afraid of that.
I heard that a lot. They always ask first, but like I like it. Yeah.
The food, because in Italy we don't have this kind of any food you can think you can find that.
For example?
I don't know, Asian, Western, or Korean, Italian.
So
You
we have the diversity.
everything. Yeah, yeah.
Did someone fart? Oh, that's just my stomach getting hungry over here. Let's take a break and dive into some of these recommended food before we get back to these interviews. First, we are going to visit a famous banh mi shop. And Cafe offers one of the greatest banh mi sandwiches with a lot of vegetarian options.
How is it?
So the coffee was great, really nice coffee, Americano coffee, really nice. Sandwich was tasty, it was really good, I'm not gonna lie. But I must say, like, I ordered a sandwich with egg, avocado, and cheese. I only got egg and salad in the sandwich, so not a big deal, it was still good. Food, I would give it 4 smiles. Yeah, 4 smiles out of the 5, only because they missed some ingredients. Service was a 5 smiles, and price, definitely 5 smiles. We'll definitely be back.
The sandwiches looked so delicious. I'm pretty convinced they were trying to flirt with my taste buds. Alright, next, pho lovers, buckle up. First stop, Quan Nho, a hotspot famous for its chicken pho. Look at that tender chicken! His chopstick skills are so good, even the noodles ask him for tips. Hey ladies, I'm looking for someone to share in this life-changing broth. Free tonight? Alright, next up, we're hitting Pho Sum, renowned for its beef pho. Check out that beef tender, juicy. If I could, I'd dive into this bowl like it's a hot spring.
What about meat? Eat it together?
Yeah, eat together. Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah, it is hot.
It's really hot. I'm gonna burn my mouth.
Yeah, you have to blow it up.
Yeah.
Yes, blow on that noodle.
Cheers.
And take a flavor from, the soup too.
Yeah bro, sip some of that broth too.
Good.
Last pho place, but definitely not least, we came to Pho Con Hun Bain, famous for fried pho and rolling Vietnamese pho.
So I can like this.
Yes, like
Sounds like a party in your mouth. Looks like you are really enjoying that fried pho.
That's really good.
We tried for types of pho today. For pho is a lot, but it's still not enough to fill our stomachs. That's how hungry we are. Now on to the next restaurant, famous for drinking all night long. Quan Nho offers a diverse menu of over 100 dishes, combining traditional ingredients and creativity, prepared by skilled chefs. Highly recommended to explore with friends all night long. 5 smiles. Delicious, delicious. We're satisfied now. Let's check out another unforgettable spot in Hanoi.
What are the 3 things that unforgettable about Hanoi?
Train Street.
The train street, yes.
Amazing, very wow.
Yes, very well.
I didn't expect that the train was really big. So,
Yes, it is. And it's also antique, right?
Yeah.
Train street is something we don't have in Europe.
Yes. Well, you cannot find it like hardly in any other countries, right?
Right.
I think the train was really nice too.
Oh yeah, you like the rain here?
The train.
Oh, the train
not,
street.
Not the rain, no.
I thought like you like the rain.
Train Street. That is interesting. What awaits us? Let's check it out.
Tonight we are at a place called
the train street. And it's known in Vietnamese way like Phùng Hông Street.
There you go. So I know you guys may have seen this many times on YouTube, but guys, you've never seen it with MasX.
And you never see it at night.
Right, so you're gonna see it tonight, and we're watching behind us because the train's about to come. So tonight we're gonna give you a look at Train Street at night with MasX. You guys ready? Ling, you ready?
Yeah, I'm so excited for this one.
All right, guys, let's go.
I guess it's time for the train to come. Watch out! Train Street in Hanoi is a popular attraction due to its unique train tracks, which transform into a railway a few times a day. Sitting next to the tracks on the street is an unusual sensation. It makes an unforgettable experience. Let's explore more about Hanoi. Back to the interviews.
So can you please tell me 3 things that unforgettable about Hanoi?
The lake behind us.
I think it's the whole vibe of the city, like with the lake in the middle. And I'm really glad that we came here on a Sunday.
Yes,
so we see when the street is all closed.
Unforgettable experience for me here is actually the Friday to the weekend.
So you like the weekends here in
Yeah,
Hanoi?
I love the weekends here because you come around here often and you just have fun, do whatever you want to do. The weather is nice. You meet a lot of great people out here. So I love the weekends.
Yes, and you like the atmosphere here.
I love it. I love it. It's really nice.
Oh, yes.
There's so many beautiful places to visit. Like,
Such as?
like
One Kim Lake, beside One Kim Lake.
Pho Tay. Yeah,
So
Pho Tay is my favorite
okay, so why is that?
because there's not so crowded,
Yeah.
peaceful, quiet, and there's a lot of beautiful cafe around Pho Tay.
Okay.
So that's why I love.
Second thing, I would say the lakes. I like both this lake and the other one.
West Lake.
Yeah, I forgot the name, but yeah, very nice
Yes,
lake.
it's the West Lake.
Yeah.
Can't stop the love for Hanoi. Let's watch a bit more.
I rented one day. It's
You can ride it?
Yeah.
Oh, amazing.
I drove it one day. It's like a totally different experience, but I would definitely recommend it if you feel like comfortable enough.
With
it's like a
the
fun
adrenaline
experience.
rush.
Yeah, like
So
in the
dangerous.
rush hours, so many other motorbikes around you. That's definitely fun.
Ooh, that's nice.
Yeah.
The traffic. Traffic is really great.
Really?
Yeah, actually there's no traffic.
Okay, so this is like the good opinion, the first good opinion
there's
about
no
the traffic
There's no traffic at all. Like it's really smooth. The driver, I love the drivers. Like all the cabs, they're lovely.
Okay, interesting. Let's dive into Hanoi's bustling streets and take in the views. If you want to survive this upcoming tour, you will need the superhero version of you. Otherwise, brace yourself for your ultimate last views. So, take a moment to rest your eyes and brace yourself. We might end up in a wild game of dodge the traffic. Just kidding, it's a safe tour. Enjoy! Join us as we begin our Hanoi motorbike tour from the Opera House. On the way to West Lake, don't miss the Hanoi ceramic mosaic mural, stretching 3.85 kilometers. It's a vibrant tapestry of Vietnam's history and culture that's a must-see for any city explorer. Riding through the green, so nice. Wait, I found something beautiful. Don't forget to take a picture. Alright, let's keep the wheels spinning as we navigate through narrow paths to our secret spot at West Lake where the sunset is so stunning it's worth every bump and turn. I'd love to tell you where it is, but it's a hidden gem. Look at this view. Yes, don't forget to take a picture. So, let's keep cruising around the lake and discover more of its beauty together. It's getting dark, which means it's time to catch the sunset. We came to Phu Tay Ho. The view is so breathtaking. It's like the sky is putting on a show just for us. And we've just stumbled upon a beautiful lotus flower on the way. How lovely! It's like the universe decided to add a little extra charm to our sunset bike tour. By the way, do you know the myth? They say that if you circle West Lake once with your partner, you'll be together forever. So take a romantic spin around the lake and let the legend work its magic. Around West Lake, there are so many charming cafes and restaurants, so it's a really nice spot to relax and soak in the views while enjoying some great food and drinks. On the way back to Hon Kim Lake, we pass by the Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum, and this is Hanoi. Back at Hon Kim Lake, let's dive into the lively walking street. Hon Kim Lake walking street on the weekend, where the energy is as vibrant as the city itself. As we stroll along, you'll find a vibrant mix of street performers, busy food stalls, and local vendors offering everything from tasty snacks to cool souvenirs. It's the perfect spot to chat with friends in the lively atmosphere, enjoy some delicious treats, snap a few portraits, and maybe even join in a spontaneous dance. Oh my god, that city bike tour was amazing. Hanoi's vibe is unbeatable. What do people think of Hanoi's atmosphere? Let's go to ask.
It's definitely a living city, as one can see right now. Like, all the people are always out. That's pretty fun.
I guess the city, like the ambience and everything.
Oh, the atmosphere.
Yeah, the atmosphere is really good.
I think the vibes are amazing. The city is like plenty of people.
It's like messy, but lovely.
Of course, everyone loves Hanoi's atmosphere. Lovely. How about the people of Hanoi?
I think the first one would be the people. I think you're all very nice and makes the city feel very safe.
Everyone is very friendly with you.
People.
The people.
Yeah, because they are really smiling and they always help you, so I can't complain.
Okay.
I found a lot of retailers and hotel people. They're very helpful, very nice.
I like the people.
People are really friendly here. I made a lot of friends in Hanoi.
I think the people are quite nice, even though I know that the people from Hanoi are supposed to be a bit more private and less outgoing than the ones in the south. But I actually think so far everybody we met was really, really nice.
So far, people are very friendly. Like, I've had nice experiences and everyone is very helpful to find out about the city.
Yes, we are friendly.
Yeah.
Everyone is so friendly with us. It's
So far, right?
it's really part of the experience.
Yes.
Don't tell me anymore, I'm already feeling overwhelmed by the love for Hanoi. Hanoi people are as lovely and kind as the city itself. I'm ready to explore even deeper.
So, can you please tell me like the 3 things that unforgettable about Hanoi?
You have a beautiful girls. You know, I love to see the beautiful girls.
Yeah, I got you, bro. They're part of our tour packages. Just joking.
Do you consider like living in Vietnam in the future?
Yeah, sure. I don't just want to live here. I want to get married here, if possible.
Oh, nice.
That's wonderful.
Yeah, thank you very much for your opinions. Thank you very much for your answer. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Which are some of your favorite places in Hanoi and other countries around the world? Let us know in the comments below so that we can feature it in a future video. MasX out.